Powerful and fast roofing hot air welder, SWT WP1. Application of polymer hot air welding machine. Roofing PVC, TPO, CPE, EPDM welding. Laying the PVC membrane ahead of time. Overlap the edges of upper and down membrane by 4 cm. Turn on the main power switch. Set the temperature at 580 degrees Celsius. Set the speed at 5.2 meters per minute. Wait until the set temperature is raised. Adjust air volume. Lean down the weld nozzle. The machine will run automatically. Pressure ruler. The pressure can reach up to 17 kg. Compact structure. After welding, the welding nozzle returns to its original position and stops welding automatically. Adjust air volume. Set the temperature at 0 degrees Celsius. Please wait for current temperature to drop below 50 degrees Celsius. Set the speed at 0 meters per minute. Turn off the main power switch when the current temperature cools down below 50 degrees Celsius.